Gawa tayo ng salad for today. Ayan, meron tayong bowl. Meron tayong lettuce, big slice. Lagyan natin cucumber. Lagyan natin ng cherry tomatoes. Meron tayong black olives. Tinanggalan ko ng buto. Meron tayong dried tomatoes. Lagyan natin ng balbreso cheese. Yan, ito yung balbreso ko. Ito yung balbreso cheese. Toppings natin, onion. And the sauce, lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper, oregano, and mint. Mix together. Then, ito na yung salad for today. And you can put parsley, slice of parsley. Ayan yung ating parsley. That's our salad for today.